What's up guys, this is Unknown from Greedy Tech, and in this video we are going to do gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Infinix Note 10 Pro. Before we start, here are the specifications. This phone has 6.95-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. It has custom made middle punch hole design and it comes with 90Hz refresh rate, 180Hz touch sampling rate and 480 nits of brightness. It has 91% screen to body ratio. For performance, it comes with Helio G95 processor with Mali G76 MP4 GPU. It has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It has DAR Darlink Game Boost technology, and that can effectively improve image stability throughout the game, which gives immersive experience. Powering all of this is 5000 mAh battery, and it comes with 33-watt charger inside the box. As for audio, it has dual stereo speakers, so it should give an immersive experience. Now here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. AC is running at 26 degrees. The room temperature is at 27 degrees. Currently the phone has 83% of battery. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 33 degrees. On the bottom it is 33 to 34 degrees. On the back it is 33 degrees. And on the bottom it is 33 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start with Asphalt 9. The visuals are amazing, the details are great, and the controls are pretty smooth. There is minimal lag, but it's negligible. Overall, it's definitely playable. The middle punch hole display and stereo speakers give an immersive gaming experience. So it's been 5.5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees, on the back it is 37 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees. Next I'm going to play Modern Combat 5. The visuals are great, the details are great, you can easily see the blood spills and other particles, and the controls are pretty smooth. There is minimal to no lag. Overall, it's definitely playable. It's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front, it is 37 to 38 degrees. On the bottom, it is 36 degrees. On the back, it is 38 degrees. On the bottom, it is 35 degrees. Next, I'm going to play Call of Duty. These are the graphics settings. Very high graphics and very high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. There's also max frame rate, but the graphics come down to high, so currently not using that. Now let's go back to the game. The visuals are great and the details are pretty good. Controlling is also pretty good. There's minimal to no lag. Overall, it's definitely playable. It's been 5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 40 to 41 degrees. On the bottom it is 37 degrees. On the back it is 40 to 43 degrees. On the bottom it is 36 degrees. It's been total of 16 minutes. Now battery came down to 78%. On the back it's warm. Because of the plastic bag you won't feel the heat. And phone feels slightly hot on the front. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 5% of battery. And that's pretty nice. Now for the heat test, I will take pictures from front and rear camera for 3 minutes and check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 41 to 44 degrees. On the bottom it is 37 to 38 degrees. On the back it is fluctuating from 41 to 43 degrees. And on the bottom it is 37 degrees. Now the phone feels hot on the front and slightly hot on the back. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 350 photos in 3 minutes, which is great. And there is no throttling going on. So guys, that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test for Infinix Note 10 Pro. Overall, the games are performing really well and you get a good gaming experience on that huge 6.95-inch display. And because of the middle punch hole design and the dual stereo speakers, overall you get an immersive experience. That's pretty much it for the video. If you have any suggestions or any comments, leave a comment down below or tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Unknown from Greedytech. Meet you in the next one.